So generally I look from the head backwards. So first I'm going to look at the head. Is it aligned correctly or is it twisted to the side? Is it in a natural position relative to the spine? So not very, very high, not very, very low. Generally, for most exercises, we want the nose appropriate, sort of around about level with the ground. We also want to look for twisting, which can happen with some issues with handler reinforcement. As we go down the body, we want to look at the forearms first. Are those forearms placed underneath the shoulders, and are the limbs vertical? Are the toes placed evenly? Are the toes and the elbows aligned correctly? So are they straight, or are they rotating inwards or rotating outwards? I like to put the handler directly in front of the dog instead of in heel position. This will improve the form of the dog because they're not going to rotate their head around. We're going to feed the dog for standing correctly, and then the handler is going to adjust their position and mark and reinforce any subsequent stepping with the rear feet to reorientate the dog directly in front of the handler. So here is Boom. This is his first session. Anna's using a chin rest with him because he gets a little bit ridiculous. You can see that she is moving, and as he steps to orientate himself to her, she's marking and reinforcing that. So we'll watch that one again. We're just going to ignore any of that paw striking because he's just trying to work out what she wants him to do. Really important, in the first session, we're going to rotate in both directions. Dogs always have a preference for one side over another, and our goal is that when they understand this exercise, we can no longer tell lateral hops or a front end exercise. Again, I can go sets and reps, 2 sets of 5, work up towards 3 sets of 8. Then, because it's a platform-based exercise, I could increase the height by changing the height of the rear end. And again, then I can add instability.